Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful kinky twist. But before getting into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful kinky crochet braids. Like, you all know I love crochet braids because it's so versatile. It's absolutely amazing. It's easy to install and you can keep it for a month or two if you want, and you can also wash it if you want to wash it. But in case you're wondering, this kinky hair is from Toyotress Hair company. I'm going to put the specs and the links and everything that has to do with the kinky braids in the description box below. In total I have 8 packs in the bag, but I only use 6 packs to achieve this style. I think you can get away with 5 packs, so if you want it fuller you can go for the 8 packs if you want. I know that this hairstyle is really versatile. You can style it anyhow you want it. So I went ahead to do the front to look like this. I also did the side and the back so I can pack it up in a ponytail if I want. I'm absolutely loving the result. I love the way it looks, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video. Now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is the crochet braid. It came with a crochet pin. In total I have 8 packs of braids, and in one pack I have 20 strands of crochet braids. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and do my braiding pattern. So right here I'm done with my braiding pattern. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I crochet the braids to my hair. After crocheting the braids to my hair, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. And then I'll tie a scarf for like 5 minutes to let it dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf, and then I'm going to style the braids.